Okay, guys, today I'm gonna do a ride and talk video. We're gonna go to the same place we went the other day, except I'm not gonna do it real fast. Do it real slow. And I'm not gonna show you the whole way. I'm just gonna show you some parts where we're discussing things, talking, me and Betty, and as soon as she gets out here anyway. And then we'll show you some prices of gas and talk about the roads and how hard it is to get around sometimes here. And we'll get back with you on that in just a second. All right, so out of the garage we are. Betty should be with us any minute now. She's locking up the gate. Got a little bit of stuff in the way on the way out. Dude with his Cullen there, I think he's seen me, so he's going to move. I'm going to adjust my mirror a little bit, and we will talk you through it. We're going to talk you through it, baby. I got the camera rolling, so let's tell the folks where we're going and what we're doing. We got to go get gas, right?
Right. Oh, that's not a time lapse. Okay.
No, not a time lapse.
Yeah.
Too many time lapse. People getting mad at me.
Yeah.
So we're going to just ease out of here so we don't get in. And the camera keeps falling on me if I hit something too hard, so I'm going to take it really easy right now.
Yeah.
Look at this cat. He's going to go by us on the side. I'm going to hit the wall.
No.
It's really tight around here on the back roads. I don't know if you're seeing this, but sometimes it's hard to get around anything. It's just really tight on the back roads here in Santa Lucia. And that's where we're at. We're in Santa Lucia. I'm going to take a left up here. And we're going to go towards Santa Ana, the town. And give you... We usually do that, but this time it's not going to be really fast. It's going to be real slow. You guys will get an idea where we're going, what we're doing, and how it's going for us today. Now, traffic might be already bad. Sometimes it isn't this early in the morning, but sometimes it is. I'll give you a little landmark things as we go. I know I shouldn't do that, and then you'll come to my house and bother me, but I'm not that famous, so I don't think you guys will come and bother me. In the States maybe, but not here. So here we go. We're coming up on the St. Anne's graveyard on the left that we did a video on over there. We've already done that video. I'll put it up here in the corner so you guys can click to it. And they got their own, they build like elaborate structures, really houses for their loved ones that have passed. And it's a very big one because we just got by part of it, and then there's another big giant part that we're going by on the left here. That's the part where me and Betty, right there in that gate, that me and Betty did the video on, that I'll put up right up there in the right hand corner, I think. And I know you can't see me pointing to it, but I'm giving you the idea that it's about to show up.
Thirsty.
You're thirsty? Well, how are you today, Mama? You feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm great.
It's a real cloudy day, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it might have a little bit of rain today. Maybe it'll rain during the day and not tonight.
But that's good. I mean, it's nice if you travel today.
Yeah, when you travel, it ain't so hot.
It's not hot.
I mean, it's hot, but it really is hot, but it's not so hot when it's cloudy.
Yeah.
I mean, well, you can stand out. I could stand outside the car right now. I got the air conditioner on, by the way. I could stand outside the car right now, and I would start sweating really bad.
Yeah, me too.
No, you don't sweat like I do. And of course, see, it's because I'm a fat boy. But I've lost a lot of weight. I got to let this tricycle in or he'll get run over. He's an older feller. That happens all the time. They just come out on the road, and you got to let them in, or something bad will happen to them, and I don't want that to happen. So we're coming up on the Santa Ana Market and the church. You'll get a really good view from this angle of the market as we go across the bridge, and then the The market will be on our right.
Mm-hmm.
And then straight ahead, as you can see coming into view, is the church. It's a very old church. I don't remember the date that it was built. Do you remember, Betty?
They said it's 1836, something like that.
No, I think it's 17 or 16.
No, don't remember exactly, but I read that before, but then I forgot. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's in the 1756.
There's a story about that.
Yeah, look how, what you can tell by looking at it. Here's the little side, they made a side bridge for people to walk into the market right there. Had that 10-foot clearance. And then we go across this bridge, and then right there on the right is the wet and dry market where you can get fresh fish, fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, fresh meats.
Fresh people.
Fresh people. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know about that. How they chop them up in there, and you can't tell, but yeah. I'm just kidding. But yeah, they look at the church, how old it is. They don't, the patina on it, they just leave that patina on there. They don't ever clean it off. It doesn't seem to hurt anything. And the inside of the church is like brand new.
Yeah.
But the outside is still original. Let's see if I can
Even
find.
inside, it's still original.
But it's painted and taken care of.
Yeah, just a little.
But I mean, it looks nicer inside than it does outside. But I mean, the outside architect is awesome. It's something else.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice. I guess it's Spanish times.
Yeah, but the one thing that they changed that is the statue in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
They removed that. They put it there on the side, left side.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but
Okay, so we're out on the main drag here in Santa Ana. And there's a McDonald's, of course, and we just passed the Jollibee on the left back there. Got a Save More, which is a supermarket food store.
yeah.
And I'm gonna let the ladies pass. No, they don't want to pass. But anyway, from here we go down towards Mexico. We have a few barangays still left to go through. Coming up is San Juan. It'll be right around the next street, I think. Yeah. So that goes back to your mom's San Juan. It's 6625 there. I probably should have stopped there, but they're busy as I'll get out. Let's see what my gas is. I'm thinking I'm going to stop the gas more in San Fernando and see what the difference is. It just depends on what I say. 66, that's a lot cheaper. It's been like 72 or 3 and on down to 69, but it's not been as low as 66. Here we are in Barangay San Juan.
Yeah. So you mean there is a rollback already happened?
Yeah, the gas is going down. Now that's 69. It was 66 back there. So it ain't going down too much right there, and it may not go down. But I was told to go to that gas station back there. That's why they're so busy, because they're always cheaper than everybody else. Anyway, so we're in San Juan, and we're going to roll up into the municipality of Santa Ana in just a few seconds here. And it'll be on our right. Let's see what else we can tell them about down through here. Okay, so there's a lot of people that build Baja Cubo, right?
Yeah.
That build Baja Cubos down through here. That's the little bamboo huts and houses. They also build furniture, and here's one on the right here, if you'll watch as we go by. They build furniture, fences, brooms, all kinds of stuff right there. And then on the other side, back there behind us, was one that built the Baja Cubos. And there's Baja Cubos right down here on the left too, right in front of the municipality. So on the right is the municipality of Santa Ana. See the big blue building, and the other building, the beige, yellowish looking building, that is the courthouse and the mayor's office and all that good stuff. And so here on the left is bamboo fences again, and where you can buy bamboo stalks. And now there's a Jeep right out in front of me. That's okay though. It happens all the time. That's what you got to be aware of. Always going to be somebody going to turn around and go back, and that's fine. I don't have a problem with it. You know. there wasn't that much traffic. So, ooh, I'm gonna hit his steel. No, I'm not. They just thought I was. Anyhow, people just pass on the left or right here. It doesn't matter. It is a law that you're supposed to pass. Go to the left and pass around people. That's the way it's supposed to be, but they don't enforce that. And matter of factly, I'm going to tell you the truth. I've never seen the police pull over anybody and give them a ticket for speeding, passing on the wrong lane, reckless driving, nothing. Of course, you know, I hadn't been here that long, but so far there's been nothing like that. They don't bother you as much on traffic violations as they do on registration and paying your taxes. That's the deal. They want you to pay your taxes. So you better get your registration in when you're supposed to, or you'll get passed through. We pass through them every now and then. See, that's 6625 right there.
Oh.
See what it is right down here?
Yeah.
I may stop, guys. Let's go ahead and stop and get gas, I think. Yeah. Well, that's 6655. That's good enough. That's where I'm going to stop. So we're going to stop and get some gas, guys. I do believe. And gonna have to wait a little while for this truck, though. Maybe they'll let me back up into that right there. Maybe they'll let me back up here. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Oh, he got in front of me, did he? Let's see if we can back up in front of and behind him. I don't want to hit him. Well, I got a backup camera anyway. It'll tell me if I'm about to hit him. I just stopped right there. Anyway, guys, when I start fueling or stop fueling or something, actually, when I get done fueling, we'll get out here and I'll give you an idea.